Down here, Zahira, look at the 10x. The 10x we bring down here. What is in front of the 10x? What sign is this, Zahira? In front of 10x? Minus lah, Zahira. Minus utang, you know. Utang $10. Down here, what about down here? Down here, look at this. Plus $6. What's your answer, Zahira? If you have utang 10 minus plus 6, minus 10 plus 6x, what's your answer? Zahira. Here, and once you are done, you can do
negative 16.
Not negative 16. You utang $10. Okay, now you go utang $10. You have $6 in your pocket.
Oh, 4.
Pay minus 4x. Yes. Now, if you do not know how to do this one, as I tell you, take bigger number minus smaller number. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then the final answer, follow the bigger number that's minus here, put minus 4x. Then the next one, now we look 4y minus 3y plus 4y. I just copy here. Plus 4y minus 3y. Oh, sorry, yeah. And if you are done, can you do B, C? All right. 4y minus 3y equals to what? 4 minus 3 is 1y lah. Y minus 4x plus y. Okay, the next one. Raihana, the next one, Raihana, you tell me what's the answer for E, Raihana. Hey, you got the answer for H or not? You must remove the bracket first. You give me the answer here. No, right? No, not yet. You remove the bracket first here. This one that I underlined, there's now this one you got to remove the bracket, double sign on here. Okay, he's giving the answer now. Congratulations, Hayan. Can you do B, C, F? Okay, B, C, and F. Impossible. Zahira and Raihana, what's the answer for E? Can you do E? If not, we do together later. Try your best, huh?
Then x minus 4y.
All right. This one, 10x minus 4y. Okay. Let's try. What about Zahira? Okay, C correct here. You go to F and okay. So now let us remove one by one. So we copy exactly the minus 9x minus 2y. First step, we remove the brackets. Don't do any other thing. Plus and minus, double sign. Use the chart. Minus becomes minus. Minus and minus, double sign. Use the chart, becomes plus. So now let us put the x together. You see there's minus 9x. Minus x. You utang $9, Zahira and Raihana. You utang $1. All together, you utang $10. But don't say no, but I thought minus becomes plus. Remember what I told you? Is there times or divide? No, there isn't. Is there double sign? No. So you utang and you utang. Means you have more utang lah. You utang $9 from mother, utang $1 from father. You cannot say, I utang my mother $9, utang father $1. Now I have $10. No, you utang $10. Then now here, minus 2y, plus 2y, 0 lah. Cancel out. Minus 2y, so the answer is minus 10. That is your answer. Okay. Then we go to the last one, which is H. Here now is number B. Which one here? B. Okay, 8x minus 3, correct, Hian? What about question G, Hian? You try G then. You got answer here, let me see. F. Let's see, yeah. F, is it? You did F, huh? Let me try. 100%. Wow, very good, huh? The confidence is very good here. I like your confidence. That means you believe in yourself. Very good. Okay, minus 7x. Okay. Congratulations, Hayan. F is also correct. G, please. G. Zahira, what about you, Zahira? You're smiling. What's the answer for H?
Did I give you already? Hello, say it.
Hello. Who is that? Shabika.
Yeah.
Shabika, are you teaching your younger sister or not? Shabika.
She come out.
She come your house. Okay, let me see. Yeah, minus 5 minus y minus 3x. Let's see. For Miss. What about Raihana? Raihana. Okay, we do together lah. I'm going to stop screen share. I'm going to think. Oh, Zahira, you are in your cousin's house. Okay, here we go. Okay, we do this together. Raihana, you can follow together, Raihana. Now, what we going to do first, Raihana? Raihana, what do we do first? Raihana don't want to talk anymore. Okay. Now, first thing we do, we remove the bracket. You notice a double sign here. So use the chart. So now we just copy first lah. 3 minus 6y. Plus and minus, you make it minus 2x. Minus 8. Then minus become plus 7y. Plus x. Okay, this is what you do, step 1. Step 1, you remove the brackets. Step 2, what you do, you arrange them. Arrange how? All the x you put on one side. So I'm gonna circle the x now. Minus 2x plus x. You put it to the left side. So you just write minus 2x plus x. Can you see? Then later on you figure out. Then what about the next one is y lah. Down here you can see y. Minus 6y plus 7y. I just copy lah. Minus 6y plus 7y. See? It's just that simple. Plus 7y. Last one. 3. Down here, remember, if there's no sign means it's plus. Plus 3 minus 8. Then you figure out lah now. Now you figure out. Look, down here, you utang $2, you have $1. You still utang $1. What? Okay, you do not know that? Take bigger number minus smaller number. 2 minus 1 is 1. Follow the bigger sign, minus 1. But minus 1, we put minus x lah. Down here, 7y minus 6y, left with 1y positive because 7 is bigger. What? You have 7y. You utang 6y. You will surely have additional 1y. You got $7. You buy something $6. You got $1 left. And the last one, you have $3. You utang $5. After paying, you still utang $5. Not utang $8. So then you still have $5. This is the answer. Zahira, you can see your mistake. Yes. Okay, now let me see here. Here and say G double confirm. Let's see, he says is, let us see whether it's correct. He says answer is minus 5x. Okay, minus 9x. Okay, minus 5x is correct. Plus 4y. Plus 4y is correct. Plus 3. Congratulations, Hayan. Congratulations. Okay, we move on to the next one. If you are still confused, you must do this. And you ask me for the answer. Why don't you do this? Okay, you have this book, right? You bought this book, right? Why don't you all do it? Complete everything. You're having your March holidays. Complete it. And please remember to send me your results together with the paper. I need to see. Normally, parents will tell me the child did not do well at this stage. So I need to see what did you not do well or what did you do well. Now, we're going to do the first one together, right? Okay, see, they say now, and see how I do it, okay? Hiyan, Raihana, Zahira. They say now, find the sum. Sum means what? Plus. So find the sum of this and this. Now you must bracket it up. Why? Safer. Bracket up. Why? Safer. Later you find out, you see, you'll know why it's safer. So now I copy 24x. But remember, I must have a bracket here. Plus 5y plus y minus 10x. Now then you remove the bracket and then you can continue. Okay, you remove the bracket and continue. Let us see. Yeah, 10x. So you remove, you get 24x plus 5y plus y minus 10x. So you find out what's the answer again. Can you do question number 3A and 3B first? 3A and 3B first. Try. You can do this. You can do this, please. Again, I'm showing you the safest method. Some of you may not want to do this method. Okay, up to you. Okay, then you do question B also, all right? Once you finish, you can do question B also.
Is the answer 40xy?
40xy. Cannot be 40xy. Cannot be. Okay, we run through the answer shortly. What about Zahira? I have not heard from Zahira. She's not giving me any answer. Or maybe just now she gave one answer one time. Okay, I'm going to go through. Hayan, what's your answer, Hayan? Can you tell me what's the answer for the first one? 3A. Zahira don't know where she went. Okay, we're going to show you that straight. Now, down here now, we remove the bracket. Sorry, what's your answer? Cannot hear. 6 what?
I think it's 14x plus 6y.
14x plus 6y. Okay, have a look. Let's see here. Now, when I remove, all right, it's like that. But you see, I just remove the bracket, is the same. Yes, but if this is minus, you will see changes. So that's why we have a practice of putting it in the bracket if they say it should be in the bracket. So now as I underline the x, I underline the x. 24x minus 10x. You see, if you are confident, you can minus straight. 24 minus 10, get 14 lah. X. Positive or negative? The bigger number is positive, so it must be positive. Next one, 6y plus y. 5y plus y. 6y, yeah, that's it. Okay, here your answer is correct. You do the next one now. Please try the next one. We'll go move on. Okay, I'm gonna try to complete all the three. Here, and you try to complete all the three. The rest complete 2 is okay. You complete 3. Hira, I cannot see your answer lah. Why you don't want to give me your answer? You gave your answer. Nothing. Oh, you gave an answer. 5 minus y minus 3x. That's the old answer. Or you feel you don't use bracket for this one, is still okay. But sometimes you will have a problem. Later on, we'll have a look at that, okay? You will have a problem later on. Just question B. Here, what's answer for B? Okay, just send me a thing. Okay, Ian says minus 5z minus 3y minus 6. How come we get 5z? There's no z here. Oh, 5x. Oh, right. No typo. Okay. Okay, minus 5x. Congratulations, Hayan. What about the rest? Hayan, you do question C also while we wait for the rest. Zahira can do now, Zahira. What's your answer? Rayana, what's your answer, Rayana?
To the chat already.
Oh, you sent to the chat. Okay. Thank you very much for sending to the chat.
So you scroll up.
Yeah, sorry?
Why you scroll up?
Scroll up. Sorry. What did I do? So hold on. I think let me try again. Okay, down here. Is it okay? Now let me just check the Rayhana's 20x minus 12y. This is for, oh, sorry, you cannot see. Sorry. Rayhana, 20x minus, okay. So we do one by one. Come, we do one by one, okay? Again, you are doing B, right? Rayhana? B, right? So now let us see how you get B now. Okay. So let us look now. There's 7x. There's 2x. So we write it down, right? Minus 7x here. Minus 15. Okay, we close. Bracket. Plus. This is what? 2x, is it? It's 2x, right? 2x. Minus 3y. Plus 9. Now remember, you put in your bracket lah. Okay, make it a habit. You know why? Because later on you'll find that you won't get mistaken. A lot of students, this one still okay, but once they put change this to minus, everything go haywire. So now once we remove, Okay, it's the same lah. You see, you remove the same. You get minus 7x. Okay, minus 15. Okay, some more. Plus 2x. Okay. Then minus 3y. Some more. Plus 9. Okay. Now then you rearrange them. So how to rearrange? So put all the numbers, put it at the back. So this 15 later, you're going to bring it down here. Minus 15, bring whole minus 15 there. So down here, we put the last one is plus 9. Minus 15. 15 is already gone. X, you put it in front. So down here, minus 7x. Then down here, plus 2x. Okay, and then y or y? Well, y, there's only one y here, minus 3y. So we write minus 3y. So is that, so how down here? You utang $7, you have $2. You have utang $7, you have $2. You pay, you still utang $5. So minus 5x. Minus 3y, yeah, minus 3y, there's only one of them. So I write minus 3y. Then down here, you got $9, you utang $15. You pay the $9, you still utang $6. So down here, the answer is minus 5x minus 3y minus 6. Zahira, you get it, not Zahira? Raihana, you get it, not? Little bit. So which part you don't get it? I still do not know which part. Okay. All right, never mind. I'll check here's one. We move on to the next skill. The letters. So imagine this is a number. Let's say now 7 banana. Down here. You utang 7 banana. You have 2 banana. So after you pay back 2 banana, you still utang 5 banana. You say, no, I don't like banana, apple. Okay. You utang 3 apple. Down here, you just copy utang 3 apple. Then dollars. You have $9. Utang $15. You pay. You still utang $6. So if you're not sure, that means I got to give you some questions in a moment, later towards the end. Okay, we try now. Here you send the answer for this one, yeah? Minus xy minus 6. Okay, let's check whether it's correct. Yeah? Minus xy minus 6. Okay. Here now here, xy is a yx. This one actually must make it xy lah. So you get 6xy, 7xy is 13xy. Minus 1xy becomes 12xy. 12xy minus 6. Not minus 12xy. You have the xy. Not minus. Can you see now? Ian? Down here, I repeat. Down here you have 6xy. You have 7xy. We change it, make it xy. You have total 13xy. Minus 1xy becomes to 12xy, not minus 12xy, but 12xy. You utang $11. You have $5. You still utang $6. Okay, typo. All right. So 12xy minus 6. Okay, we move on now to the next one. Next question. The next set. Just one moment. Try this one. 64. Okay. Is this one? Wait, hold on. Hold it. Even, yeah, correct. Okay. Consecutive means one after another. Down here, let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, that's consecutive. One after another. Even is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 integers, whole numbers. So you must understand what the sentence means. Think about 3 numbers. These whole numbers are even numbers. They're consecutive, like 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 8. 10, 12, 14. These are 3 numbers, one after another. Given that the smallest of the 3 integers is x, find the total of the 3 integers. If you don't like the word integers, we change it to numbers. There are 3 numbers. The smallest of the 3 numbers is x. What's the other 2 numbers? And what's the total of the 3 numbers? That's what they're asking you. If let's say I say the smallest number is 4, what's the next 2 numbers? Must be 6 and 8 lah, because they are even numbers consecutive next to. If I say the smallest number is 10, what's the next 2? Is 12 and 14. Because you plus 2 and plus another 2 lah. But now the smallest one is x. Can you write down what's the next 2 numbers, please? What are the next 2 numbers? And then after that, add all of them up together. You can do this, you can do this. Rahana, don't say you cannot. I know you are saying this is x is not a number. Replace it in your head. It is a number. Okay, Rahana, if the first number is 16, what are the next 2 numbers? Plus 2 lah. Even numbers what? Consecutive, one after. The next one must be 18.
20.
20. So what did you do down here?
24.
Okay, but now let's say now the first one is x. What must you do to get the next number?
Y.
Plus y? No, not plus y. Plus how many?
X.
No, plus how many? 16 plus what give you 18? 10 plus what give you 12?
2x.
Plus x? No.
Plus 2x.
Not plus 2x, plus 2.
Oh.
You see? 4 plus 2 give you 6. So plus 2, you get 6. Then you must plus another 2. So you must plus 4 down here. If you don't believe, we can try now. See down here? They said the smallest one is 4. The next number, when you plus 2, get 6. The next one, you plus 4, you get 8. So now they ask you to add all of this together. So what's the answer then when you add all of this together? Anyone? Heian has given the answer. Let us see whether it's correct. What about, okay, Heian, congratulations. What about Miss Zahira? Very silent girl. But just a while ago, we heard you shouting at some girl or something. You're shouting, shouting, shouting. So please shout up your answer. What's your answer? Okay, then try the next one, the next one also. Congratulations, Mr. Heian. Oh, Zahira is entering again. 100%. Well, you're 100% correct. Congratulations. Good to have the confidence. Is this Shafika or Zahira? Okay, but anyway. Always I see Shafika as an angel in the sky. Now, Zahira also want to be angel lah. Shafika. Okay lah, your cousin lah. Okay, but never mind. Down here, now we do the next one. See, Heian already understand what this is. So the same thing now, we follow the same thing. 3 consecutive even numbers. If the biggest number, let's say, is 8, what's a smaller number? You must minus 2, like get 6. Then after that, as minus 2, you get 4. Why? Because they are all even numbers and consecutive, one after another. So you see, you minus 2, you minus 4. What do you mean minus 2, minus 4? Okay, I'll show you now. First number is 8. Second number is 8 minus 2. Third number is 8 minus 4. What is this? Well, I'll show you now. First number is 8. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. There. 8 minus 4, 4. So now, if let's say you are now told that the largest number is x, oh, no problem. What's the next number? X minus 2. What's the number after that? X minus 4. That's what you do just down here. You see? X minus 2, X minus 4. X minus 2, X minus 4. I think I'm losing some of you, except for Shafika. She's listening. She understands. Alhamdulillah. Well done, Shafika. Although you're not in this class. But I can smell you in heaven. Because I'm going there. So, inshallah. I hope so. So you add all of this, plus, you get 3x. Heian says. Then you add your utang. You utang $2, you utang $4. That means you utang a total of $6. Okay? Or utang total of $6. Like that. This is your answer. Okay, we won't go to the next question because you are you seem a little blur. So we have to go to another one. Simple basic maths. Again, all right.
Oh,
Yes.
what time tuition ends?
Ayo, this girl. This is so bad. Last week you didn't ask because you was outside. You're so happy. Shame on you. Ayo, you're asking when tuition. I feel so bad. I feel so sad. I feel I'm such a lousy teacher lah. Okay lah. Can end anytime you want, but I think because all of you came late, except for Raihana came early, so we have to stay back lah until 9:30 or something. I think your parents will be happy. Now down here, let me show you one by one. This one now. This is called expansion. I think I taught you this last week. Did I teach you this last week, Ian? I taught you last week.
Teach me.
Yeah, Raihana didn't learn because she was outside lah. Raihana, don't make me angry lah, Raihana. All you need to do is just to turn on your video. That's all. And try your best. Okay. Down here means, okay, Raihana, this is especially for you because the rest understand, you know. When you see a number like that, Raihana, touching the bracket, it means it's times. So you times by the 5 by x. But you must also times this by 5 by 7. So 5 times x, 5x. And then 5 times 7, 35. Don't worry about the sign yet. Now the sign, what sign should we put here? This one is plus. Plus and plus, we give you plus lah. See why is this so? Remember the chart. Plus, sorry. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Okay. Plus and plus give you plus. Remember this one? This is multiply, you see. That's why you got to use this chart. Give you plus. And then what? Minus and minus give you plus also. Okay, you try lah. You try to expand. Question B, question C, and question D. Okay, you try. Shafika, can you send me your results? How do you do for your maths? You pass or not?
Who?
Yes, you. You send me lah. Don't need unless you want to announce to everyone. Maths test. She passed.
I got 7/30.
Allahu Akbar. Can you send me the paper, please?
I lost the paper.
I cannot be lost. You do not want to send it to me. That's why. What about you, Zahira? Can you send me your result?
I don't know. The paper is in my.
She passed also.
Yeah,
Hey, Ian, yourself also, you also send me your result, okay? How do you all do? I need to know whether the tuition is helping you or not. You say, yes, the tuition is helping me to make me worse. Hey, don't be like that. Hopefully not. Okay. Tuition is helping you make you worse. That means something is wrong. Yeah, there are some students, I got feedback for some of the parents. One of this child in primary 4, just 2 months. She used to fail 1 digit. After 2 months of this Zoom tuition, she still failed, but she's almost passing. That's a very good sign. Okay. So it's also dependent on how much you're going to practice lah. Hian, you got your results already, Hian? You send me your results. Okay. You're sending me the result. Ini bukan result ni. Wow, all answer. Allahu Akbar. You're very fast, this boy. Come on, the C.
I pass.
You pass. Was it a good pass?
Yeah.
What's the score?
17/25.
Okay, not bad, not bad. All right. Okay, you should target for 17 out of 25. Let me calculate how many percent is that. 17 out of 25. How did the rest in your class do?
About the same as me.
About this?
18, 16.
Anyone fail on the test?
No.
No, okay. So you got about 68%. Not bad. 68% is a high B, I think. So yeah. So your target you target can get 80 lah. Trust me, your speed I can see. You can do it very fast. What about the rest? Please send your answers, please. Okay, Hayan for B, answer is correct. C. Wow, okay. Yes. Thank you. C, your answer is correct also. D, your answer is correct also. You have done E also. Okay, we have not gone to E yet, huh? Okay, but anyway. What about the rest of the girls? Girls, what's your answer, girls? Zahira, what about you, Zahira? I'm seeing you, your camera now is very good. You are in the heaven, Alhamdulillah. Jannatul Firdaus, very good. But now, what's your answer? What's your answer? Okay, you're in Jannatul Firdaus. Huh? Allah says, oh, you, my nafsun mut'aminah, please enter my heaven. Allah says. Here for question E, your answer is correct. Congratulations. F is correct. G is correct, but you need the X over there. Typo error, but it's okay. H, your answer is correct. Okay. So I'm now going to go through now. I'm going to go through. This time we're going to ask one by one. We're going to ask Miss Rahana who wants to go. If you can get it correct, Rahana, you can go. She's so happy. Rahana, what's the answer for this one, Rahana?
6x minus 10.
Okay, 6x is correct. Then 6 must times 10 minus 60. Remember, you must times both. Okay, your parent gives something to your brother, it must give to you. So otherwise you say unfair, unfair, unfair. Same thing. You must times 6 times the x. 6 must times the 10. This is plus, this is minus. That's why plus and minus give you minus. All right, now we're going to ask Miss, hold on, Miss who? Miss Zahira. Wahai manusia yang ada di langit, tolonglah turun ke bumi ini. Jawapannya apa, wahai Zahira?
Yes.
Huh? What is this? 12. Some more? Is there X? X, huh? Okay. And then? Next number? Times this one also, this one, Zahira. What is it?
What?
This one also must times, 4 times 8? 30. 32. Is it plus? Yes, this is plus and plus, so should be plus. Okay, Hen, just be patient for a while. Hen, we need the rest to understand a little bit more. Okay, let me just. Okay, now down here. Now we're gonna ask Miss Raihana. Raihana, what's the answer for this one, Raihana? Come on, you tell me now. Tell me now. You can do it, Raihana. Raihana, where are you? I cannot see you.
Here.
Yeah, do what's the answer for this one? 9 times 2. Okay, 9 times 2. Come on, 9 times 2. 9 times 2. Raihana. Why is she stuck inside a chair? Raihana, 9 times 2.
What question?
This question I'm showing you down here D. Can you see I'm marking the thing? Cannot see?
No.
You cannot see?
Just marking a random place.
Oh, sorry. Ready? Okay. This one now can see?
No.
Cannot see. Now can see?
No. It's still at E, F, G, H.
Okay, now can you see D now? Can you see D now? Do this one now. Okay, you tell me how to do it.
Cannot.
I don't know whether she's telling the truth, not this girl.
I cannot.
You cannot see. Okay, maybe if one more time I ask you, you cannot see, you better go and check your eye. Something is wrong with your eye. Okay. Let's see. Okay, can see?
Now can see.
Can see. Okay, so now D, now how to do D?
18x minus 9. I'm going to sleep good night.
Hey, don't go to sleep now because you missed out so much last week. You have to follow. What about, okay, you do a last one by Zahira. Zahira, question this one. Come down to earth, Zahira. Come down. Don't play the angels over there. You don't know, some of them might be jinns. Zahira, come. Ini number, this one. How come I ask you to see, he keep wiping the eye? Apa Piramli movie apa? Okay, Zaira. Down here,
Yes.
minus times, okay. Imagine it's -1 lah down here. Okay. -1 times x, what's the answer? Cannot hear lah you. -1x, right? -1x is x. -1 times 12. -1 times 12.
-12.
-12. Okay, that's your answer lah. This is your answer, that's all. Okay, we are going to move on, okay? We're going to move on to the very last one. This time you ask Raihana to do this one, Raihana. -2 times x, Raihana.
Negative x minus.
Negative 2x.
Yeah,
Okay.
my
2 times 7, 2 times 7, 2 times 7. What's the answer? 2 times 7. Just give me the answer. 2 times 7. 14. Now, look at it, how I do. Minus and minus give you? Minus times plus. Can you get it? Okay.
Yes.
All right. We will now move on to the next one. We only got 20 minutes left. So I hope you are able to make it. Okay, 30 minutes. Sorry, 30 minutes lah. 30 minutes.
Huh?
I said 20 minutes, you say ha. I said 30 minutes, you say ha. Which one is
So
you? Aduh, this girl is so long. Oh, this is the same one. Okay, never mind. We will do the same one still, but we do the last few questions. Hayan, you do, can you see K, L? Okay. For the girls, you just do the thick ones. For here, you do all down here. K, N, P. Yeah, for the girls. Hayan, you must do all of these lah. All 6.
I can do the.
What?
I can do LMO.
LMO, okay, can also. Yes, please do. Yeah, you do LMO also, but for the rest, they don't need to do LMO lah. Okay, and later you take a photo of all the questions you get wrong. Can you send me now? Have your teacher gone through you, Hayan, the questions you got wrong? Go through it.
Yeah.
Okay, can you just send me? You take a photo of the questions you got wrong. Can you just send me? So I'm going to give some questions now that are similar to those questions. Let's see whether you all can do it. Okay. Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira? You got any answer, please? While you're eating your, whatever you're eating. Zahira. Okay, Hayan really got answers. Hey, very fast boy. Here and first one is incorrect. Hold on, wait, hold on. Yeah, okay. Now you have made all right, now it's correct. Now it's correct. No problem, no problem. Zaira, how Zaira? Anything? Oh, someone has sent me a message. I feel so happy. It is from. Who is this from? Zaira. It says minus 10x. Oh, okay. Let me tell you how Zahira did this, I think. Zahira take 8 minus 3 get 5x. Zahira. Correct, Zahira. Zahira, Stop playing down there now. Listen. Okay, you take 8 minus 3x. Cannot minus lah. This 8 is dollars. X is, let's say, monyet. $8 minus 3 monyet also you cannot minus. You cannot say $8 minus 3 monyet equal 5 monyet. Cannot be. There's X, this one. So what you do? You have to times it, Zahira. You have to times it. So you take minus 2 times 8. 2 times 8, what's your answer, Zahira? 2 times 8?
What?
2 times 8, what's your answer? 2 times 8? 16 now. This is plus and minus. This is plus minus, so minus. Next one, 2 times 3x. 2 times 3, how much? 6x. Then minus times minus, can you see? This is a minus here. Minus here becomes plus, and this is your answer. Minus 16 plus 6x. Okay? Now you move on to this one, Zahira. You and Raihana. Okay, let us see now. 100%. Very confident. Very good. Confidence is there. Question O. Question O. Okay, O is correct. And the one earlier is M, is it? M is also correct. Can you do the one that they are doing also, N and P? Can you do N and P also lah? Or you can send me the photo of the questions you got wrong, so we can go through also. Raihana, what's the answer, Raihana, for N? Do you know how to do, Raihana?
I got
Yeah.
24x minus 64y.
That's the way, Raihana. That's the way. You can do this. Nice hair, lah. Nice hair. Okay, you got nice hair. Yeah, shampoo. Shampoo. You don't want to be okay. Don't. Okay, you don't be a shampoo model lah. Okay. Come the next one, Raihana. Next one, P. Just one more question. Oh, here, never mind. You can pass me.
P is 10y plus 45x.
Okay, but down here minus times plus for the first one. Your numbers are correct. 10y, is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Then down here plus 45x. So you got it already. You understand the concept already, right, Raihana? Now I have to check with Miss. There's one more girl. I have not checked. I don't know what she's doing. We observe her. She's talking to someone or eating or something. Zahira, what's your answer for question P? You're gonna ask me what is it? Zahira.
Yes.
What's your answer?
Oh,
Okay, we are all careless. Okay, all careless is good that you know. That means you're supposed to get a much higher score, right? Okay, then never mind. You don't need to say. If you are saying higher and all careless, great. Alhamdulillah. Okay, that means you are capable of scoring more than 20. Your target must be over 80% now. Okay. If it's carelessness now, that means you can score easily 20, more than 20 marks out of 25. 20 is very good because it's 80%. Okay, we are going to move on now. We're going to move on. Raihana, sorry, Zahira, I do not know whether you have completed, but we have to move on. Zahira seems to be very busy. Tired also, she should be tired also. Okay, we have another 12 minutes more, so let us go through this one. Okay, now. Okay, this one now. This one is good. This one you have to try both. I may have gone through this, but I realize with so many students, I have to go through over and over and over. Please try all those that I tick everything lah. I'm going to tick everything. You tell me what your answers are. This one also down here, over here. Yes. Number times number, letter times letter, sign times sign. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, anyone got their answer? Let me check my handphone whether Mr. Hayen has sent me any answers. Mr. Sen, his answer is okay. All right. Let's see what about Ms. Zahira and Rahana. Zahira, what are you doing, Zahira? Are you okay? I see you menari-nari. Kenapa dia menari sih? Karena dia sudah bahagia masuk ke dalam syurga Jannatul Firdaus. Wow, Hian, let me see whether your answers are right. Congratulations. Answers look very interesting. A is correct, Hian. B is correct, Hian. C is correct, Hian. D is correct, Hian. E is correct, Hian. F is correct, Hian. G is correct, Hian. And H here. Okay, you might have a nightmare. Correct here and correct here. We are waiting for the two ladies. Zahira, what are you doing? You just tell me some of the answer cannot be. You cannot have not done one of them. Rayana also. Rayana, you there? I cannot see. No, no, camouflage girl. See here, is giving me the final answer now. Congratulations, Ian. What about the rest? And don't blame Hian. I say Hian, why so fast? Spawn market. No, it's supposed to be that way. We are supposed to be fast, you know. Supposed to be. So I'm waiting for the girls still. Hian, you can try the next 4 questions. Question number 3, you try. Same thing, you know how to expand, right, Hian? You times, and then times. You times down here, and then times down here. Same thing, times down here, and times down here. Okay, you try. Zahira, what? Rayana is not there. Rayana, what's the answer for number 1? Are you sleeping, what, Rayana? You're tired already. You don't want to do maths.
You the answer.
Where? You give me.
What's happening here right now?
What's happening right now? I'm waiting for you to give me the answer to 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, 2E, 2F, 2G, 2H. Hannah really losing interest lah. See, she's really losing interest lah. Zahira is busy talking. I don't know to who she's talking, laughing. Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira? What's the answer for 2A? Okay, we have to go through. Hey, you have your book right here. You have this book, right? You do in the book. Rayana. Okay. So now Rayana has given me the. Okay, let's see now. Okay, A, 2A, Rahana, correct. What's the answer, Zahira, for 2A?
Boy X.
8xy, not yx. Then Rayana, for number B, now all you need to do, take number times number. 11 times 2, 22. X times y, xy. So 22xy. All right. Or if you want to go one by one, also can, no problem. Okay, watch. Now, what do I mean by watch? Okay, just hold on. I'm gonna. Okay, so you can watch this and see what I mean. Okay, we can go 11 times x is 11x. 11x times 2 is 22x. 22x times y is 22xy. Can. But I prefer to take number times number. 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 2, sorry. 11 times 2 is 22. X times y is xy. Then I put it together lah. It's easier this way. All right. Now let us see now what's the next few answers. So the same thing. I will also do the same thing. I take 3 times 9, 27 minus 27. X times y, xy minus 27 xy. Okay, down here. What about here? 4 times 10, 40. Hey, you must times them. Oh, Rayana, don't put them in the bracket like that. Times them out. Times them. So like this, Rayana, you look at this. 4 times 10, 40. X times y, xy. 40 xy. Okay, we ask now Zahira to do this. Zahira, how to do this one, Zahira? Cannot see. Zahira, just tell me lah. 5 times 6. 5 times 6. 30. Then down here, there's minus and plus, so minus. X times y. xy. So minus 30 xy. That's your answer. Down here now, we take for the girls, look, 12 times 12, 144. And then minus times minus, give you plus. X times y, xy. 144 xy. Okay, we will move on now to the next. Okay, down here. So you try now. We'll check Ian's one now. You all can try over here. Ian has given me the answer for A. Ian is A is a mistake. One mistake somewhere here. What's the mistake? Zahira, what's the answer for this one? G. 6 times 7. 42. Then X times Y times Z. XYZ lah. Okay, so now Raihana and
XYZ.
yes. So you do this one, this last one on here. While I check here and one, while Raihana also same thing. Eight Y. No. Okay, here. Down here, 2 times 9, 18. A times X, AX. 18AX. Right? It's giving me the answer. AY, yes. AY, okay. Yes, correct. Okay. And let me check the B. Okay, correct. Your B is correct. Your C is correct. Your D. Okay, Hayan, congratulations. All are correct. Now we ask the girls now, Zahira and Raihana. Take number times number times number. 3 times 8, 24. Times 4, you get 96 lah. Okay. X times Y times Z, X, Y, Z. And then minus times plus give you minus. Minus times minus give you plus. So your answer is here.
May I go to the toilet?
Yeah, go. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the last question. Okay, we're going to do this, okay, so that you are very, very clear. You try the questions on the board, and I hope you can see them. Okay, can you try question 1 and question 2? These are your last 2 questions, and once you are done with this, you can go and I can go. Rahana, what's your answer, Rahana?
Wait.
So we finish this and we can go, all of us can go. Zahira, you have difficulty seeing. You're using handphone, is it? What thing? Remember, step 1 is to remove the brackets. Anybody?
7,
Haven't yet now.
7a minus 4 and x plus 5.
Okay, so let us see now. First, we remove the bracket. Plus minus becomes what, Rayana? Minus. You must follow, remember? Double sign here. Then 2 times 2, 4 minus 4. Down here, you have $2. You utang $7. It's like 2 minus 7. What's the answer, Rayana? 2 minus 7. Your utang is more than what you have. What's the answer? 2 minus 7.
Number goes to negative 5.
Yeah, negative 5, yeah. Minus 4. This is your answer. You imagine it's like the same like numbers without A, then you can do. Now the next one, Zahira, 14x. Down here you expand, what do you get, Zahira? 7x times 2?
40.
14x, then plus 5. So what's the answer now? 14x minus 14x plus 5.
So 5.
5, that's it. Now why don't you all practice this? You can practice this book now. Okay, hold on, just a minute. You can practice this book now here. You turn to exercise 4A, 4B, 4C. You have this book, right? Go. If you don't have, go and buy it. Go and practice it. Then you can check the answer. There's an answer key at the back. If you cannot get it for exercise 4A and 4B and 4C, you can ask me. Then we can go through the next lesson. By doing that, you will be able to do very well. And trust me, it's not difficult to do well in Sec 1 Maths. You can do it. It's whether you want to or you don't want to. All right, then we will see you again next Friday. Until then, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.